Hello everyone. Again this lecture is continuation of OOPS concepts. Now we will discuss some more terms in OOPS concept. Firstly we will discuss inheritance. Now what is inheritance? If we are using one existing class and with the help of that existing class if you are creating one more class, so that concept is called as inheritance. Means you are inheriting some properties from the already existing class to the new class. The already existing class is called as superclass and the new class which we are creating is called as the derived class. Now so what is inheritance? In case of inheritance, you are creating a new class with the help of already existing class. Now in the new class you can add your own functions, but you are using the already existing class. So this concept is called as the inheritance. Now inheritance is of two types: single inheritance, multiple inheritance. If you are creating a class from one superclass, that is called as single inheritance. If you are creating a new class with the help of more than one superclass, that is called as the multiple inheritance. Now we will come on to second concept, that is encapsulation. Now what is encapsulation? The wrapping of data and methods. Means the wrapping of data and method, means this is method, this is attribute, these are interfaces. If we are wrapping all those things, that concept is called as the encapsulation. Means in another terms we can say that class, if we are creating a class and if we are combining methods, attribute, interfaces into a single unit, that concept is called as encapsulation. Means you are combining all those things into single unit. The example of encapsulation, class is the best example of encapsulation. Now we'll come on to polymorphism. Now third property is polymorphism. Now polymorphism is the ability to take different forms. Now what is polymorphism? Polymorphism is the ability to take multiple forms. Now suppose we are declaring one interface. If we are using that interface in different classes, means one interface is behaving differently in two classes. So that concept is called as polymorphism, means more than one form. So polymorphism is the ability to take one or more than one form. Interface, by the help of interface we can achieve polymorphism. Now we will discuss about the types of classes in SAP. Suppose we are moving on to transaction code SC24. If I am declaring, suppose creating one class, so class are of four types: usual ABAP class, exception class, persistence class, test class. Now what is usual ABAP class? This is the simplest form of class which is always used for declaring attributes, writing the code, and we can call those methods and attributes in our programs. Now what is exception class? Exception class are used for raising the exceptions. That exceptions can be runtime exception, that exception can be compile time exceptions. Now what is persistence class? A persistence class is used for database updation. Means you can use database, you can use getter and setter methods to use for database updation. In case of persistence class, this is specifically for database updation. Means insert, update, delete operation you can do on customer specific table with the help of persistence class. Now we have last type of class, that is test class. What is this test class? In a program, this type of class is used to test small parts of the program. Suppose a program has multiple parts, then we can test small parts of the program with the help of this test class. Now we will discuss all these things now we will discuss all these properties or all these types of classes in the next continuing section. This session is all about the introductory part. We will discuss all these things in detail in the next sessions. Thank you.